Whenever you're ready, you can start.
This is stage 4 of our project for Water Pocket Co. And the co-owners are me, Isaiah, and Rick. For how much it's going to cost us, our total estimate is going to be $19,000. And what will need to be paid for is the prototype development, which is 3,000, sensor components, which is 5,000, packaging and branding is 1,500. Legal and licensing is 1,000. Website and e-commerce is 1,200. Marketing launch will be 2,500. Initial inventory is 4,000, and equipment and supplies is $800. Are we surprised by this number? It's not surprising that the amount is 19,000. It seems very reasonable for a tech startup, and especially with all the expenses that are needed. And does it seem to be high or low? I think, or we think it is neither high or low, especially with knowing that some, if not all, tech businesses require a big upfront investment before revenue begins to be generated.
All right, so for our funding startup, some of our costs are going to come through founders' contributions, which we hope to get $6,000 from that. Angel investors, we hope to get around $10,000 from crowdfunding. It'll be around 3,000, and then that'll equal our total amount of 19,000. And in addition to these, if any extra funds are needed, our company may look into getting small business loans or additional lines of credit for our business. And then for our break-even dollar, approximately 20 to $25,000 in monthly revenue. That's when our revenue begins to surpass our monthly expenses. And then with our break-even in units, based on the estimated pricing and cost per unit, that is roughly around 500 to 600 units sold.
Some of our key assumptions to support our future profit is that the target fitness and wellness market will continue to grow at a steady rate. We would like to assume that our average customer order values and conversion rates are 2 to 5%, and that remains stable. Something like manufacturing and supply chain costs stay manageable without major disruptions. Our marketing and influencer campaigns will effectively build brand awareness and customer loyalty and attract new customers. And as scale increases, profit margins will improve due to reduced per unit costs. Our sustainable plan to profitability is, on one side, we have sustain and grow profit, which is reinvest the money we make into marketing and product innovation to strengthen brand position. We would like to expand distribution channels through retail partnerships and e-commerce, improve operational efficiency by optimizing manufacturing and supply chains. We could do that by adding more units or finding out a new way to supply our units. And then we could launch new product variations. An example of this is hydration patches for different athletic uses. If profits slow down and expenses rise, we can adjust pricing strategies. We could scale marketing and spend more strategically. We could seek additional funding or partnerships to maintain more growth momentum.